Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to customize text and icon size on Windows 11 PC. First, change icon size. Change text size. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.